Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a group, also called band, in the band app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the chat icon at the bottom. Now tap on the group you want to delete. Look at the top right corner, tap the three horizontal lines. After that, tap on settings. In the settings at the bottom, you will see a section that says close this chat room. Tap on that. This option only shows if you are the leader. After that, tap OK. A message will pop up asking if you are sure, since this will remove the group permanently for everyone. Tap yes or delete to confirm. Go back to the band home screen. The group should now be gone from your list. That means the band has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You have just deleted a group in the band app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.